Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donut mochi. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup of tapioca flour, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Also, have ready 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. These are the foundational elements for our delightful treat. Now, let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the glutinous rice flour, tapioca flour, sugar, and baking powder. In a separate bowl, combine the milk, egg, and melted butter. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture, stirring until a soft, cohesive dough forms. Knead it gently for about 5 minutes until smooth. With your dough ready, it's time to shape and fry. Roll the dough into small, uniform balls, roughly 1.5 inches in diameter. Heat your cooking oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a deep pot. Carefully place the mochi balls into the hot oil and fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are golden brown and beautifully puffed. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. While the mochi donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk. Dip each donut into the glaze, ensuring an even coating. Serve them immediately for the best taste. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade donut mochi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.